Today I'm making this super moist pumpkin cake. I'm going to start off by measuring 2 3/4 cups of flour. Next I'm adding in 1 1/2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And sift. And switch bowls. Whisk 4 eggs. And add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of oil, and you can use olive oil, canola oil, or veggie oil. Whisk that. Add 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin, along with 1 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Mix it together. Once you get that mixed together, switch bowls back to your dry ingredients. Make a little well and pour the liquid into it. Next, whisk this together, starting from the center of your well. Once you have that nice and mixed up, go ahead and grab your spatula and scrape the sides as well as the bottom to make sure you didn't miss any of the dry. Add your batter into your prepared pan. I put coconut oil in mine, but you can also use a cooking spray, and spread the batter out. And by the way, this is a 10 by 14 pan. You can also use a 9 by 13. That'll work just fine. It'll just be a little bit thicker of a cake. And then this is going to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Now I'm going to let my cake cool off while I make my frosting. For the frosting, I'm combining 8 ounces of cream cheese along with 4 ounces of butter, which is 1 stick, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it up. And I almost forgot my 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon in there. We are going to mix this up for about 3 minutes until it gets nice and fluffy. And be sure to stop and scrape along the way. Spread that frosting onto your cooled cake, and this is ready to serve. Hey, if you are looking for lots more yummy pumpkin recipes, I have a whole lineup for you. Just go ahead and click on that little box to the right. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone.